Welcome back to Cavemen Tech. Today, we are diving into a critical aspect of web infrastructure security, discovering the origin server behind a content delivery network like Cloudflare. Why does this matter? If a security researcher or bug hunter can unmask the real IP address, it reveals the target's true security posture and provides valuable infrastructure clues. Finding the origin IP often exposes missing or misconfigured headers, which are considered low-hanging fruit and can lead to quick wins in bug bounty reports. Cloudflare acts as the first line of defense against attacks such as cross-site scripting, clickjacking, and MIME sniffing. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to bypass Cloudflare and find actual IP addresses. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why this matters. First, let's look at the goal. Unmasking the real IP address reveals the target's true security posture and gives us vital infrastructure clues that the CDN normally hides. From a defense perspective, a CDN like Cloudflare acts as the primary shield, the first line of defense against common web vulnerabilities, including cross-site scripting, clickjacking, and MIME sniffing. This is exactly why discovering the origin is a goldmine for bug hunters. Origin servers often lack the strict security configurations of the edge network, meaning missing or misconfigured headers on the origin server become easily accessible low-hanging fruit. Ultimately, the impact of finding that origin IP is huge. It can lead to quick wins in your bug bounty reports by exposing vulnerabilities that were supposed to be protected by the proxy. Step 1 is simple but crucial: verification. Before we start hunting for hidden servers, we need to answer one basic question. Is the target actually using Cloudflare in the first place? If they aren't, we are overcomplicating things. We can use a quick online verification tool to confirm if the domain is routing through Cloudflare's proxy network, or if the real IP is already sitting right out in the open. Here is how that looks in practice. First up, let's look at a quick web tool to verify our target. Check for Cloudflare. Let's test a domain first, rapfame.app. As it runs the scan, the results come back instantly. It clearly tells us this website is not using Cloudflare. That means its real IP address is already sitting right out in the open, and we don't need any advanced tricks to find it. But watch what happens if we plug in a different domain, like buyyoutubeviews.com. The tool updates and shows us straight away that this website is using Cloudflare. Similarly, let's test one more, private internet access. As you can see, this one also comes back verified as sitting safely behind Cloudflare's proxy protection. Now that we've confirmed our targets are protected, we know we actually need to look deeper. If the target is using a CDN, one theoretical approach to finding the origin is examining historical data. Administrators sometimes set up a server on a public IP before putting it behind a proxy. Web-based databases and online resolvers can be used to see if the origin IP has been leaked or historically recorded before the proxy was implemented. One great web-based tool for this is the Skype IP resolver. Let's enter our target website, Buy YouTube Views. What this database does is scan through known subdomains to see if any historical or adjacent records are bypassing Cloudflare's DNS. As you can see right here, it managed to uncover an active IP address. Similarly, let's check our other target, private internet access. When we run this one, the tool successfully pulls up multiple IP addresses associated with the infrastructure. Now, to analyze these discovered IP addresses, we need to gather a bit more context. Let's head over to iplocation.io. We just paste the IP address we found into the search bar and click Analyze. Instantly, we get a breakdown of the IP's geolocation, the hosting provider, and the organization it belongs to, giving us a much clearer picture of the actual backend environment. When historical records are clean, the primary mechanism used to identify origin infrastructure shifts to subdomain misalignment. Automated auditing tools look for gaps in an organization's split horizon DNS or wildcard configurations. Moving on to automated tools, the first one we will look at is CloudRip. This tool is designed to automate the process of finding real IP addresses hidden behind Cloudflare by brute forcing and checking subdomains. CloudRip is available on GitHub, and setting it up is straightforward. First, we will git clone the repository and move into the downloaded directory. To keep our system clean and avoid breaking any globally installed packages, let's spin up a Python virtual environment using the command python3-mvenv. Once that is created, we activate it using the source command. Next, we run the final installation command, pip install -r requirements.txt. This automatically pulls in all the prerequisites the tool needs to run. Now we are ready to hunt. We just execute the tool using python3 cloudrip.py, followed by our target domain, privateinternetaccess.com. As it runs, it checks the root domain, and then immediately starts scanning the subdomains for any IP leaks. And right here at the bottom, we can see a hit. It successfully found a subdomain that resolves to a direct public IP address, bypassing the CDN entirely. The next tool in our arsenal is CloakQuester. This tool focuses heavily on subdomain enumeration and passive analysis techniques to identify potential origin IP exposure for websites protected by Cloudflare and other reverse proxies. To get started, we first git clone the repository. Move into the newly created directory, and then install the dependencies using the pip install -r requirements.txt command. A quick tip here: if your terminal throws an externally managed environment error, simply add the -- break system packages flag at the end of your pip command to force the installation. Once that finishes, our tool is ready to go. To run it, simply execute python3 CloakQuester, followed by our target domain. It will verify the Cloudflare protection, grab its word list, and start scanning for subdomains. And there we have it. The scan finishes and successfully reveals a few subdomains along with their real, underlying IP addresses. The next tool we have is Zano CF Leak, developed by Zano Security. This tool is designed to identify real origin IP addresses hidden behind Cloudflare protection by analyzing subdomains and various infrastructure misconfigurations. The installation process follows a similar flow to what we've done before. First, git clone the repository and move into the project folder. Next, create a clean Python virtual environment using Python3. Once created, activate it and run your pip command to install the necessary requirements. The usage here is incredibly simple. Just run the command python3 zanocfleak.py followed by the target domain name. The tool immediately loads its domain list and starts scanning through the subdomains, looking for any IP leakages. It filters out the proxy traffic, and as you can see right here in the terminal output, it has successfully uncovered multiple non-Cloudflare IP addresses, pointing straight to the backend infrastructure. The final automated tool we will cover is Origin IP Bypass, developed by Malik Hamza. This is a powerful Python-based tool designed to discover the true origin IP of a target by actively bypassing web application firewall protection. It handles subdomain enumeration, detects unprotected endpoints, extracts as-in details, and scans for exposed web services to map out the infrastructure. The installation process follows the exact same workflow we've been using. First, git clone the repository, navigate into the project folder, and run your pip command to install the necessary requirements. The usage here is incredibly straightforward. Just execute the tool using the command python main.py-d followed by your target domain. The tool immediately kicks off its workflow by initiating subdomain enumeration. It automatically analyzes each endpoint, filtering out the WAF protections, and clearly lists which subdomains are actively routed through Cloudflare and which ones are left completely unprotected. Finally, it compiles everything into a clean list of exposed backend IP addresses, giving you a definitive look at the target's true perimeter. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Understanding these mechanics is crucial for securing infrastructure, as a CDN is only as strong as its origin's perimeter. See you in the next video.